Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about how to create some primitive objects in 3ds Max. It is very important and core features of 3ds Max to create some very primitive objects very easily. Now, to do that, go to this command panel, which is at the right hand side, and in this command panel, you'll select this create pan, which is selected by default. Here you'll find several other tabs like geometry, shapes, lights, cameras, and others. We are interested into geometry, which we have selected, and here you'll find a little drop down which gives us different objects like standard primitive, extended primitive, compound objects, practical systems, body objects, windows, and others. We'll select standard primitives, which is default, and you'll find 10 different objects are given: box, sphere, cylinder, torus, depot, cone, geosphere, tube, pyramid, and plane. First of all, we'll create box. Well, you can select the color if you want to. We'll let it be. You can give it a name as well. Here, when you select box, you'll find the extended options of that particular primitive is shown, like parameters and keyboard entries. For box, we'll just click that. Now creation of box is very easy. Go to this perspective view, click anywhere, and drag and select the height and width of the box. Once decided, leave the mouse point and you will be able to decide the height. Click again and then right click. Your box is created. This is how easy to do that. Let's do it again. Select box, click anywhere and drag the height and width. Leave the mouse click and click once again. Right click to deselect it and our object is ready. So this is how we can create boxes. Let's try a sphere. Click on sphere, click anywhere, decide its radius and leave the click. Left click to unselect the tool. That is it. So this was the basic introductory tutorial on how to create objects with 3ds Max. Thank you.